Getting started with the inspection. First, let's create a default checklist. Tap the button at the bottom of the screen, then select Default Checklist. In this window, enter the aircraft's serial number. This number will be used to name the folder where all inspection photos are stored on your device. Next, choose how you'd like the photos to be organized, either in a single folder or in subfolders by zones and areas. After selecting the structure, press Create Airplane. You can create as many airplanes as you need. Once the airplane has been created, it will appear on the main screen. If you need to change the aircraft's serial number, you can do so before taking photos by pressing Edit and entering the new number. Once photos are taken, this option will be disabled. Now, open the default checklist provided by the app. Here, you'll see the zones of the aircraft, each containing the areas that must be inspected. By tapping the arrow on the right, you can expand each zone to view its areas. Each area has a camera icon. Just tap it to open the camera and take the required photo. Photos are automatically saved in folders named after the inspected areas. Additionally, by tapping the right side arrow, you can view the photos you've already taken, and you'll also find a special section for capturing findings, that is, any defects or issues discovered during the inspection. Photos of findings are stored in a dedicated findings folder, making them easy to review later. You can add a short description to each finding. If you don't, the photo will simply be saved under the area's name. When you return to the previous screen, you'll see counters, one showing the total number of photos taken and another, highlighted in orange, showing how many findings have been recorded. This helps you track progress and ensures inspection goals are met. As you complete each area, its box will change color from gray to green once all required photos are taken. The goal is to finish with all boxes in green, confirming no area has been left out. Creating custom models and checklists. At the bottom of the screen, tap My Models, then create a new model. Give it a name and add the model owner's name. This is useful if you inspect the same type of aircraft for different companies. Next, choose how the folders will be organized. The recommended option is the structure with more subfolders, as it keeps everything neatly separated. Tap Create Model to finish. From here, you can fully customize the model. Use the Edit button to rename zones, rename areas, or change the target number of photos. You can also delete or add new zones and areas as needed. Tip: if you want folders to display in a specific order when shared with the client, it's a good idea to number the zones. Once customized, your model can be reused across multiple aircraft. To do this, press the Download button, enter the aircraft's serial number, and tap Create Airplane. You can create a limited number of airplanes with custom models for free. After that, additional credits are required. That's why we recommend testing your workflow first using the free default models. When you're done, the airplane will appear on the main screen. Tap the arrow on the right to open its checklist and start your inspection. Where photos are stored. All inspection photos are stored locally on your device. To access them, open your File Manager app, go to the device's storage, and then to the Pictures folder. Inside, you'll find a folder named Aircraft Inspection. Within it, there will be a subfolder named after the aircraft's serial number. All your photos will be there, including the Findings folder, organized neatly by zones and areas. You can then copy the entire folder to your computer and share it with the client. Saving models to the cloud. Since models are saved locally by default, it's important to back them up to the cloud so you don't lose them when switching devices. To do this, go to My Models, and tap the cloud icon. The model will then be stored in the cloud and listed under My Cloud Models. You can even delete the local copy if you wish and re-download it whenever you need it on another device. I hope you enjoy using the app and that it helps you make your inspections faster, easier, and more organized.